Hey guys, we're back. I'm Anna and I'm Emily, and we are the Tran twins. So in today's video, we're going to be doing 3-color glue slime challenge. So let's get started. Okay, so it's blindfold. Okay, let's turn it so we don't cheat because we saw the glues already.
I can't see, so I can't use it.
Okay,
this one. I want this one.
Okay, this one's the first. Good.
I'm done.
Yeah. So I have light green, I have red, I have pink. I have green too, and I also have goldish yellowish and pink. And I love the sparkly colors of it. You know, I have like the green sign, the yellow sign, and the red sign. Okay, let's pour in the glues. Go. Woo! Oh my gosh. I like this like glue container thing. It just sounds. But as long as they squeeze out good.
This is a pretty yellow.
Ooh. Okay. Now moving on to my red. I guess we'll call it coral.
Now green.
Liquidy. I guess this doesn't make fart noises. Oh, that was a fart noise though.
Have a lot. Guys, this is so much fun because you might not know what the color is going to turn out. I'm just curious to see how that's going to turn.
I know.
But Emily has like more glitter and hers is darker.
Bet this is gonna turn out to a pretty color, I'm thinking.
I don't know. So now it's time to mix it.
Okay guys, this is what our slime looks like. Mine is, I would say a pink, gold pink. And I have a coral color. So basically I just have pink and I just have like orange. So now we're gonna put in our shaving cream.
Yeah.
It's always
like
fun to have shaving cream. I think that's a lot or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. And the color's gonna get more lighter now. So just keep mixing. Oh my gosh, look at the color. It's like a lighter pink now.
Change it lighter.
Whoa. And I see like this color.
I see like the pink, yellow, and green glitter.
Ooh. So I basically just have yellow, pink, and green
Glitter slime.
I like the color so much, guys. It just turned to a lighter pink, that's why.
Mine, I don't know, a peach, but with glitter.
Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Even I love the glitter too. It has like pink and gold glitter. Ooh. So now we are going to be adding our activator. Okay, guys. Shake.
Little shake.
Okay, now let's take a camp. Let's squeeze it. 3, 2, 1. I'm guessing that much. Guys, I really like the color. So round 1, this is a good color, guys.
Yeah, I like this color.
For a starter.
So I'm just gonna call it peaches and cream. I'm gonna call mine because it looks creamy. I'm gonna call mine strawberry parfait. This is what our slime looks like. Ooh, it's so pretty, guys, and it's really jiggly. So, but if you put shave foam / fluffy slime, I don't think it goes with clear slime. So yeah, but look how jiggly this is. Clear glue. Guys, let's make a big bubble if we can. Okay. And then we'll mix it up and make a wait. You go first. You go first. Oh, my turn. You ready? Now let's mix it together. Ready? Wait, mix it together? Yeah. And then we're gonna make yours go. So keep them some. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Whoa, wait, look. Wait, oh my gosh. This is like a sunset. Oh my gosh, looks so pretty. Mine's mostly taken. And the slime taking over the space. Guys, I love the texture so much. It looks like a beautiful sunset. Jiggly. Okay, now let's make a big bubble. Okay, now let's make a big bubble. Okay, guys, so ready? Ready, set. Da 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 da. Wait. Da 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 Wait. Okay, guys, so till next time, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. I'll give this to my friends today.